Problems on network reduction techniques. Example number 1, infinite ladder. Find the effective capacitance between A and B in the network shown. So, here A and B are 2 points between which we have to find capacitor. So, this ladder network extends to infinity. Now, one thing you can notice, so this C1, C2, this particular step is continuously repeating. So, it extends to infinity. So, since it extends to infinity, if I take the effective capacitance of this to be some C, then if I cut it along these 2 points, let us say X and Y, then also the effective capacitance between X and Y is also C. So, I can rewrite this circuit like this. So, this is point A. From point A, we have capacitance C1, then we have C2, this goes back to B. Equivalent capacitance between A and B, let us say it is C, then here is your X and Y. Across X and Y also equivalent capacitance is C. So, removing one latch or one step in the ladder does not make any difference. So, let us say effective capacitance is C. Now, this C is in series parallel with C2. Therefore, effective capacitance Cp will be equal to C plus C2. So, I can rewrite this network as this is C1, this one is C2 plus C, this is AB. Now, C1 and C2 plus C are in series. So, we get equivalent capacitance C is equal to C1 into C2 plus C divided by C1 plus C2 plus C. Now, our intention is to solve for C, cross multiply this, we will get C1 into C plus C2 into C plus C square plus C1 C2, in fact this should be equal to C1 C2 plus C1 into C. Now, C1 into C, C1 into C get cancelled. Send this C1 C2 to left hand side. What we are left with is C square plus C2 into C minus C1 C2 is equal to 0. So, we have quadratic equation in C. So, apply formula for this. C should be equal to minus B, B is C2 plus or minus square root of C2 square minus 4 into 1 into C is what? C1 C2, this is minus, minus into minus becomes plus, divided by So, inside the square root you can take C2 square common, if you take it outside it will become C2. So, you will get minus C2 plus or minus C2 plus or minus C2 comes out, it will be 1 plus 4 into C1 by C2 divided by 2. or C2 can be again taken common. So, I will get C is equal to C2 divided by 2 into minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 4 C1 by C2. So, out of this plus or minus only plus should be considered. If you take minus, so capacitance will become negative, capacitance cannot be negative, so it should take only plus. So, it will be C2 by 2 into square root of 1 plus 4 into C1 by C2 minus 1. So, this should be capacitance. So, out of plus or minus only plus is physically valid, minus is not valid, right. So, this should be the equivalent capacitance of the given network.